I'm ashamed of my smile. I'm ashamed of, what has happened to me and what I've let happen to me. So that was a big factor in the fact of I got to be better. I got to be the best I can be. It's to show my daughter that anything's possible no matter what happens, that you can always overcome it. You can be better, you can be the best. I'm being ashamed when I go out with my friends that, I'm the snaggly tooth guy that they're hanging out with. I thought it was going to take months and different, appointments of, well, we'll take care of this at this point, this at this point, that at this point. And the way they explained it to me that we can take care of all of it. Basically, in 24 hours, I can be rid of all that's wrong and already be working towards a whole new bright future. It's something that I've been ashamed of for so many years and so many things that have been involved with that, that now I get a chance, an opportunity to overcome all that. It's going to be huge.
No freaking way. Oh my god, dude. You're like totally different.
Oh no.
No, in a good way.
Oh, okay.
This is awesome.
Don't scare me like that. You're like, you're a totally different person. I'm like, oh crap.
Alright, now we're going to finish up.
Oh wow. That's crazy.
Dude, you look so awesome. So great.
Wow. If I could go back in time, I would tell myself to do this sooner. I would tell myself not to be afraid of it and not be ashamed of it. Just go get it done.
Yes!
All right. Nice, brother. All right.
I expect you to see a smile a lot more.
Oh, I have a feeling I will.
We're giving away a free smile every 15,000 subscribers. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and become a Smile sponsor today.